So let's say that this situation has gotten out of control. This yard has seen better days, and I'm very thankful for everything that I'm able to accomplish so far with the yard. I truly believe this yard has seen better days, and honestly, I believe, as you can see, mainly the culprit is me, but I would say there are 3 reasons why the yard is not looking this good. First, it has a lot to do with the heat. I live on the transition zone of the United States, that is in Oklahoma, and let's say that we get a lot of heat, like really bad heat here in Oklahoma. The other reason, I think it has a lot to do with the cultivar, which it means the quality of the seed that I picked. I think I was kind of cheap. I would have been better off buying something a little bit more expensive, but I didn't. Just, to save me some dollars there, and that was not the best choice. The reason has a lot to do with the grass type. So the grass type that I picked back then was perennial ryegrass. That's not the best pick for this area of the United States, truly. I've seen most yards, they go with either Bermuda grass or fescue. So it was not the best choice. And that's truly about to change. Another thing that I would like to pinpoint, and let me show you. So as you can see, I had a lot of issues with weeds. Unfortunately, I did not have a very, let's say, tight program schedule of weed control, and that truly caused a lot of problems. Let me show you over here. I applied some T-zone to control that, which is a selective herbicide, and I also applied with it tenacity. It's not a very common mix that you can do. The white that you can see on the grass is due to what tenacity does to the weeds. It's a foliar application, and what it does is kind of inhibits the weed, in this case, to do the normal process of photosynthesis. It's a hard word to pronounce. So it causes that. So the white that you see is because of that. So it's actually causing a lot of damage to the weed. Everything that you see kind of bleaching out over the yard, it has to do with that herbicide. Yeah, absolutely died off the weed. And also I had a lot of problems with clover, and I believe that mix, tenacity and T-zone, helped big time to control that. So I would definitely recommend it. That was an experiment, you could say, but at this point I'm not down for experiments. I wanna do something that I know is gonna work. I'll be doing some work of leveling as well. As you can see, I have a lot of puddles and parts that are low parts, so it's not even, you could say. And I can tell every time that I do the yard, I'm mowing, and it kind of bumps very often, and that has a lot to do with leveling. So I'll be taking care of that as well. Another reason, I'd say a 4th reason why the grass did not work, meaning the cool season grass that I planted had a lot to do with maintenance. Okay, so cool season grass requires very good maintenance. Like, you had to give it the proper maintenance that needs. It's a very nice grass that you would love to have on your lawn, but if you don't give it the proper maintenance, it just doesn't work. You have to have very good maintenance, and meaning like a lot of fertilization, and what it's called spoon feeding as well, and a lot of mowing. If you don't give the two of those to the grass and proper also watering, it all has to do with maintenance. I mean, if you don't give the grass all that, the proper maintenance, it's not gonna yield a lush, thick, nice dark green that you're looking after. So last time, as I mentioned, I had a lot of issues as well with moles. So what I did was several things, and I ended up hiring a extermination company that would take care of them more professionally, let's say, because it's been a while and nothing has been working. It's time to do something well done, and I know these people are gonna do a really good job. And I think I already showed you the flags. They mark, they put the traps down, and put some application of Grub Control, which is, you know, the main larvae, the main insects also, the mole crickets, I think it's called, what this granule control that you apply, it actually kills those insects and larvae. As a double punch, trying to get rid of these bothersome critters. And I'm having hopes that that's gonna work. I'm doing the best I can right now and getting ready for the lawn renovation project. As you can tell, it already dimmed too fast on us. It's super dark right now. We won't be able to actually finish with the application of Roundup, namely glyphosate. So we'll have to do it tomorrow. And well, it is what it is. Sometimes you're able to make it, sometimes you cannot. And so we'll postpone it until tomorrow. And until then, see you guys on the next one. Shalom, shalom.